You're probably buying fake black olives from the supermarket, and if you spoke a Romance language, you'd know about it. So let me explain. Have you ever thought that black olives that look like this often taste and look very similar? It's because they're treated with the same substances. They're often cured in sodium hydroxide or lye, which debitters them, and then they're all turned the exact same black colour with this one particular ingredient. In fact, these green olives here are completely identical to these ones, except these ones have had lactic acid added, and those ones have got ferrous gluconate. Now, ferrous doesn't mean much if you don't speak a language that preserves the Latin ferrum, meaning iron. Now you're probably thinking, why would you add that? In fact, ferrous gluconate is added to some foods to be an iron supplement. Not here. Here, its job is to bind to compounds in the olives, to oxidize them and turn them all into this uniform black color. This isn't only because sellers believe that more uniform looking black olives are more appealing to you, the customer. This makes them easier to process and mass produce. Green olives off the tree are not ripe yet. They're inedible, that's why we have to brine them. But olives do go naturally black when they're allowed to ripen on a tree. Those naturally black olives bruise far more easily, and that's not good news if you're trying to harvest and mechanically produce and process en masse. So just because these are called black olives does not mean they were naturally black. They weren't, they were green. You can, if you want, buy real black olives in the supermarket. Let's try one of these real ones. Look at that. Those are the real thing.